everyone, I'm Brianna with Makeup Designery, and today I want to talk to you about our cheek illuminator called Spark. This is a very versatile product that you can use it on all different skin tones. You can put a little bit on your cheeks to have that soft, natural glow, or you can really build up that highlight to the intensity that you want. Let me show you how. Alright, so I'm using our 620 brush with the Spark Cheek Illuminator. I'm going to take that product right on top of my cheekbones, and I'm going to build this up to the intensity that I want. Using small circular motions, just building it in, puffing it in. Getting that nice intensity. Same thing on the other side. And then again, build it up to as much as you like.